गोपीजन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी
गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
यशोदनंदन ब्रजजन रंजन
यशोदनंदन ब्रजजन रंजन
यमुनतीरावनचारी
यमुनतीरावनचारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
गोपीजन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी
जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
यशोदनंदन ब्रजजन रंजन
यशोदनंदन ब्रजजन रंजन
यमुनतीरावनचारी
यमुनतीरावनचारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय
राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
गोपीजन वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदनंदन ब्रजजन रंजन यमुनतीरावनचारी हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
जय राधा वल्लभ श्री राधे
जय राधा वल्लभ राधा वल्लभ श्री राधे
जय जगन्नाथ जय हो बलदेवा जय सुभद्रा Jai
Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Jagannatha Jaya Baladeva Jaya Subhadra.
Jaya Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai, Jaya Gauranitai.
Jaya Gauranitaya Jaya Gauranitaya Jaya Gauranitaya Jaya Gauranitaya.
Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Jaya Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada.
Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Jai Gaura Hari Bol.
Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Nitai Gaura Hari Bol.
निताय गौर सीतानाथ प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि
Hari Hari Bol.
परमहंस प्रवचिकाचार्य स्तोत्र सदस्य श्रीमद भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री यमुनमयी की जय। श्रीमद भक्ति महारानी की जय। सामवेद भक्त वृंद की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय। जय श्री 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 राधा वल्लभ राधा श्याम सुंदरा राधा माधव जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा गौर नीताई की जय। श्री all the glorious assembly devotees Hare Krishna, all the assembly devotees Hare Krishna, all the assembly devotees Hare Krishna, all Shri Guru Gauranga Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandat Pranams, all glories Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 ज्ञानंजन श्लाघया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपकदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। नमः ओं विष्णुपदाय कृष्णप्रस्थाभूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादि पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे नमो महामगुण्याय कृष्ण प्रेमप्रदायिते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने गौरत्वीसे नमः। नमो ब्रह्मणे गो ब्रह्मण हिताय च जगदिताय कृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पति गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरांगी राधे हे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यो च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुखं करोतु वाचालं पहुं गहयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारिणं परमानन्दमाधवं श्रीचैतन्यईश्वरं वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्री श्रीराधाकृष्णपदान् सहगणरहितान् श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna Mataji. So yesterday we were dealing with the Yuga Paryantam and we had a challenge. Yes? Hare Krishna?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. So we'll continue with that and we'll clear that up for sure. The quick thing that I want to cover before we move on to that is the 14th chapter, which is the system of universal management. We covered the future manus, correct? Yesterday we had covered the future manus.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
Prabhuji.
So today, how the universal management is happening is what that we are going to discuss.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, sharing Prabhu.
Oh, I'm not sharing? Okay. I go. So yesterday we had discussed that there are 6 kinds of personalities who take care of a Manvantara. Correct? The six personalities. Who are they? Manu, sons of Manu, Devatas, Saptarishis. Who else? Indra and the Avatara. Yes, the six personalities that take care of a Manvantara. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. It's very, very important that we understand that to understand the system of universal management. The sages, demigods, Indras, they act under the orders of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. When a particular Chaturyuga completes, right, the sages, under the guidance of the Supreme Lord, they distribute the Vedic knowledge and thereby reinstate the religious principles. Then the Manu's responsibility is to pick those up and re-establish them. And then Manu establishes the framework, and that is operationalized by Manu's sons. Hare Krishna? Clear?
Yes, Prabhu.
So please understand, after each Chitur Yuga, when there is that little partial annihilation, that is the period, the Saptarishis will look at for the next Chitur Yuga how these religious principles should be applied. And that's what that high level plan, when provided to Manu, rather the detail when provided to Manu, he prepares the roadmap, and that roadmap is implemented by sons of Manu. Then what does Indra do? Indra takes care of all the heavenly planets. Right? And they rule the three worlds. Indra rules the three worlds with the help of the Devatas. But in different yugas, the Lord appears in different avatars to re-establish the religion, because, to protect the devotees and annihilate the demons, and to re-establish the religion, because with passage of time, whatever Manu has instituted becomes weaker and weaker and weaker. At the same time, right, he appears as the four Brahma Kumaras as well, the Sanata Sanatana Sanat Sananda Kumaras. Hare Krishna. And of course, he also appears as sage Yajnavalkya. Why is there a specific mention of Yajnavalkya? Yajnavalkya is the head of Krishna Yajurveda Shakha. Earlier, Yajurveda used to be one. There was no Shukla and Krishna. Right? But sage Yajnavalkya had a difference of opinion with his guru. And his guru told him, look, you are going against what I have said, so you vomit out everything that you have learned. Then sage Yajnavalkya vomits out everything that he has learned, and then he uses the entire Yajurveda and creates. Because he has vomited and that was blackish in color, his knowledge, it's called Krishna Yajurveda. Hare Krishna, is this clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. Then there are Marichi, the Maruts and all, they all are also there, right? Of course, it's the Supreme Lord's will that, the creation of all forms of life happens. So, why does he arrange all of them? Basically, he is engaging everyone in his service. Right? And because there are so many tiers, including the three modes, we cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna. The reason he does this is so that only those who are inquisitive know about it. Artho Jignasur Ardhadhi. Yes? Hare Krishna.
Yeah, yes, Bhajan.
Yes, the four people. That Jignasa needs to be there, and that should lead to Jnana, only then we will understand. That's the reason he does it. Now, this is how the entire universe is managed. Now, when we are talking about universal management, yesterday I got confused and we had a little confusion there in the numbers and everything. So I thought I'll come back and recover that, so that by covering again we will have the clarity. So let's start from Bhagavad Gita. If you see, Sahasra Yuga Padyantam Aharyat Brahmano Viduhu Ratrin Yuga Sahasrantam Teho Ratra Vido Janaha. By human calculation, 1,000 ages taken together form the duration of Brahma's one day. That's 12 hours. And such also is the duration of his night. So let's go back to the Excel and represent Brahma's day and night. One day of Lord Brahma, 12 hours is Chaturyugas. How many are there? 1,000. Right? One night of Lord Brahma. Again 12 hours. How many Chaturyugas? 1,000. Right? So, if we see one Chaturyuga is Kali plus Treta plus Dwapara plus Satya, which equals to 43,20,000 years. Yeah, have I got it right? Let me put some commas there. Number. Hare Krishna. What is going on with this? Okay, stop sharing. Yeah. 43,20,000 years. Right? One Chaturyuga. When we are talking about 1,000 Chaturyugas, one day or 12 hours is 43,20,000 thousands. Similarly, if you take 1,000 Chaturyugas, which is one night, which is again the same. Which is again the same. Right? So, total span of years in one day of Brahma equal to this plus this. That is 86 lakhs 40,000 thousands. That many years is just in one single day of Brahma. Multiply 1 year is multiplied by 360. This multiplied by 360. This is 1 year is 360 days. Right. And if we multiply that by 100 years, which is 311 trillion 40 billion x million years. Hare Krishna?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Yes. Now, within this 1 day of Brahma, 1 day or 12 hours of Brahma, right? 14 Manus, which is 1000 Chaturyugas, which is 1000 Chaturyugas, Manus 14. Right? Make sense? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu. Yeah.
Right. There are 14 months.
Sorry, Prabhu, just a clarification.
Yeah, 1 second, Prabhu. I'm coming there. Definitely I'm coming there, Prabhu. Just I want to open the PPT and then talk about it so that we are talking facts. Where is Bhagavatam overview? Bhagavatam overview. Just a minute, Prabhu. I'm just trying to find that. Don't tell me upload that.
Prabhu, please, that Bhagavatam overview file is there. PDF. Down. Down. Yeah.
PPT. That. Yes. Manus are 14. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes. Right? We talk about 6 kinds of persons and the 14 Manvantaras. Yes? Now, if we divide the 1000, divide 1000 Chaturyugas by 14. Comes to 71? Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So each Manu ruled by each Manu. Right. Now, apart from that, we discussed only one other item, which is Srila Vyasadeva appeared in Vaivasvata Manvantara. Hare Krishna.
So, Prabhuji, current Manu is Swayambhu Manu, right, Prabhuji?
No, Prabhu. This is Vaivasvata Manvantara.
Oh, Vaishnav Manvantara. Okay.
Prabhu, if you see, Vaivasvata Manvantara, Jambudvipe, Pradhamapate, Pradhamvanshe.
Okay, Prabhuji. I got it.
Vaivasvata is the son of Vivaswan. The son of Vivaswan.
Okay, Prabhuji.
We discussed it yesterday His name is some Shraddha something. Remember?
Yes.
Okay, one second. Let me take you there.
Yeah.
Rakesh Prabhu, I haven't forgotten you. I'll come back to you in a minute. If you see the aspect of future Manus, Hare Krishna, person uses system of universal management, Baliman Raja conquers, this is way back, churning of milk ocean, battle between King Indra and Helites, Murti, yeah, the description of future Manus. Who is the son of Aswan is not Shraddha Deva, Shraddha Deva.
Shraddha Deva. Okay, Prabhuji.
He is called Vaivasvata.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu? Right.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Rakesh Prabhu, please ask your question.
So Hare Krishna Prabhu, see in that Excel sheet like 1 day or 12 hours in row number 10. So 1 day is 24 hours, right?
No, Prabhu, when we are talking about the day, we follow the sun. It's not like the day in English.
Okay.
Yes, Prabhu?
Sure, Prabhu. Thank you, Prabhu.
1 day refers to 12 hours. 1 night refers to 12 hours.
Meaning like morning and night, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhuji. Pratah Nisha. Yes. It's morning, sunrise to sunset is the 12 hours. Then sunset to next sunrise is the 12 hours. Yes, Prabhu, Mataji, clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So that's what it is. Right. Now, we also know one Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga is 4,32,000 years. Correct? Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Dwapara is
4 times Kali Yuga.
right. Treta is thrice that. Satya quadruples that. So the sum total is right. Does it match? Prabhu and Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right? So, this is what Vedas advise us. Now, what are the other numbers that match a yuga? One yuga stands for which other numbers? Here we are talking 4,32,000, 8,64,000, 12,96,000 and 17,28,000. Yes? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
What other one yuga refers to which other number?
9, adding all this.
Not 9, Prabhu. Yuga is not 9. There is another number that it refers to.
Oh, yeah, 4, 3, 2, when they add like.
No. One yuga is 12. That's why if you see every 12 years cycle is called a yuga. Hare Krishna. And that's why the Pushkaras happen. Hare Krishna.
I didn't got it, Prabhuji. Sorry.
Every 12-year cycle is called a mini yuga.
Okay, Prabhuji.
That's where the pushkaras happen.
Correct, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes,
The
Prabhuji.
various river pushkaras. Yes?
Correct, Prabhuji. Every 12 years.
Every 12 years. Because 12 years is a yuga. Now comes the problem. 12 months in a calendar year, 1 year is also yuga.
Okay.
Hare Krishna. Right. Another little math for you, because I wish to bring out something. I divided 17,28,000 by 1,000, divided that by 108. Look at how much the number comes to.
16 rounds of chanting.
Hare Krishna. 16 rounds, 108 times gives us 1728. Right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Why 1000? Why 108? Prabhu? Why did you divide them? Why particular numbers?
One mala has 108, right?
No, Prabhu. The initial 1000.
No, I wanted to get 1728 figure.
Okay.
I divided by 1000 to get to 1728, then I divided it by 108, Prabhu.
Okay.
To give you an idea, the importance of how, by chanting properly, Prabhupada has given us the ability to be like Satya Yuga people.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Is this point clear?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So it's very, very important. That attentive chanting is very, very important for us. Smartavyam satatam Vishnu, vismartavyam na jatu chit. Always remember Krishna, never forget him. That's what Satya Yuga people would do. That's what we are expected to do. That's why Prabhupada said you need to move to Sattva Guna, because in Satya Yuga, Sattva Guna is more prevalent. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Right. Now, why am I talking about the minor Yuga 12 years? I got slightly digressed. Why am I talking about 12 years? Now, let's talk about non-Vedic aspect of the story. We are talking about the non-Vedic arguments here. One Yuga is 12 years or a Pushkara. Yes? So, how many in the Vedic years cycle, how many years are there? See, the Vedic year means how many years are there in each cycle?
12 years.
Sashti Samatsaranam Madhye 60. Yes or no?
60 years, Prabhuji. Yeah.
Prabhavadi Sashti Samvatsaranam Samvatsaraha, which means 60 years. Right. So one mini yuga. Right? So what does it mean? You know, cycles of Vedic years. 60 divided by 12. Yes, 60 years are there. Divide by 12 years. There are 5 sets, 5 sets of Vedic years. Sets in Vedic years. I'll say sets. Now there are 5 sets of 12, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
There are 5. Now, what do non-believers, I wouldn't call them, or those who are opposers call is that, look, you are phantasmagorizing this whole thing. Actually, the reality is there are 60 years, right? Yes. What happens is after every 12 years the Pushkara comes, that's one yuga. So 4 yugas, basically finishes in 48 years. Generally after the 48 years, when there is a flash flood, that is the completion, then another thing starts. That's their argument. And the argument is, actually if you go by logic, it should be 5 yugas followed by an annihilation and then again a cycle of 5 yugas. Your entire Vedic presentation is wrong. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You see where it is coming from?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Now, this is where what we have to understand is that this mini yuga classification is done for our convenience. That's why, because everything is based on the numbers 9 and 12, it's done for our convenience so that we can easily remember to respect Mother Nature once in every 12 years. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
But what happens is people are taking it as pure mathematics and numeric. To just give you this idea, the whole idea, right? Let's look at 432. We said sums up to 9, right? Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. 432 sums up to 9. Sorry, 1 second, Mataji. Call this guy. Tell him that I'll call him back after 5. Could you see which are all the... Can it be divided by 9? Can this be divided by 9?
No, Prabhuji.
Please look at it, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji, 48.
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Can it be divided by 12?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
And can it be divided by 108? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah? There is a reason why I am presenting this. Now, what is very, very common in all these divisions is the cycle of 4. Yes or no?
Yes,
4,
Prabhu.
8, 12, 16. Yes? But the logic of these non-subscribers is that it's a cycle of 5. Make sense? Hare Krishna.
Yeah. That's 5.
It's a cycle of 5.
Yes, Prabhu.
But everywhere it talks about Chatur Yuga. It doesn't talk about Pancha Yuga anywhere in the time calculation. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, their logic of the non-believers is based on some sort of I won't accept theory rather than the basis. Hare Krishna. Is this difference clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Why is this very, very important for us? It's important for us that when we counter a non-believer, right, we should be able to talk to them in terms of the numerics. What are the numerics? 9 and 12. Because everything in this world operates of the dimension of 144. And square of which number is 144?
12.
12 square.
12.
Yes? Why? If you take a lotus dimension, the wall of the lotus, right, with petals and everything, isn't it at 144? Hare Krishna?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. This is what we have to counter them with. Which is?
Sorry, Prabhuji. If you don't mind, I didn't understood what is the non-believers' argument, first of all.
They simply say it's the 60 years. And it's 5 cycles. Your entire
60
discussion
years
is
and
wrong.
5 seconds. Okay.
12 years is mini yuga, right?
Right, okay.
Yeah. They call the 5 cycles as the Mahayuga.
Okay.
And their argument is, 560 is 300 years. That's it.
Right.
All
Oh, 300
the
years
cycles are
will
300
complete
years, not even 60
Mahayuga.
years.
Every 300 years, Mahayuga will complete. That's what their
That's
argument,
their
Prabhuji.
argument.
Okay.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Some of them argue even if you take cycle of 4, it's 240 years. That's their argument. Yatomat tadhopat. Whatever one feels, they will argue.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji. If that is true, means Kalki should come by now.
Kalki should have
Many
come by now.
times.
Everybody has been prophesying Kalki will be there, Kalki will be there, Kalki will be there.
Yes, Prabhuji.
And whoever said Kalki, their palki went down. They got on a palanquin saying that Kalki is going to appear. Now they have their face in the mud and they keep changing the date.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Alright? So,
I understood, Prabhuji.
this is the ridiculous logic based on which all that Kalki, avatar and everything that are being prophesied.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhu Mataji, is everybody clear on this?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So please, if you counter any such person, counter them based on 144 square of 12 and show how these are dependent on 12 and 9. Yes? Why 9? 12 square and 9 square, it's between that. The entire universal arrangement is there. 81 to 144. Yes? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
That's why we have the Navagraha Kutami. We have the 12 hours during the day and 12 hours during the night, and we do have a cycle of 12 years and 12 months in a calendar year. Yes?
Yes, Prabhu.
That's why you will see, because the sun's movement is there and it needs to be aligned, in the Western realm, we have February becoming 28 and 29. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
But in the Vedic cycle, it's always 360 days. So once in 4 years, we get the Adhika Masa.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
And it is exactly that 30-day Adhika Masa. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So, kindly, the 31, if you logically add it, take away February, Jan, March, May, July, August, October, December. 7 months have 7 extra days, more than 30. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Now, we get a leap year once in 4 years, correct?
Correct, Prabhuji.
Yeah. So February is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 days short, plus 1 day short. 8 plus 1, 9 days. Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
9 days short. Yes? And 9 plus earlier how many days? 7 days. Right? 7 days of 3 years is 21. 21 plus this 9.
30.
30 days. That's why we get the Adhika Masa. Make sense?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, is this calculation clear to everybody, or does anybody have a
Yes,
doubt?
Prabhuji. Clear, Prabhuji.
Great. Great. So please remember, when people laugh at our Adhika Masam, we should be able to represent it in pure numbers and explain why it is so. In the first 3 years, in the 7 odd months, the 7 31 days months of the Julian calendar, we have 7 days to be covered. And in February, we have 2 days to be covered. So that's 9 days per year. 9 days per year in the first 3 years makes it 27 days. And 3 days of Feb in the 4th year adds up. That's the Adhika Masam, or 30 days. One second, let me take it away and describe this a bit better by hosting it somewhere here. I will change this. I think I'll present it better. Okay. First 3 years in a 4-year cycle. Year 1, 7 months. Julian calendar months with 31 days. February. Change this representation so that Hare Krishna, is this now clear to everybody?
Yes, Prabhu.
I'm trying to make it as tabular as possible. If something is not clear, please let me know.
That fourth year is a deficit leap year 3.
Yeah, because it's 29 days, Prabhu.
Okay, then that's one day there in February.
Prabhu, please look at it this way. Yeah, sorry, that's one day. I beg your pardon. My bad. Yeah, which is 28 days, which is the Adhika Masa.
Prabhuji, similarly, here, year 1, 7 months means 7 days extra, and February 2 days is minus, right? Because it's not complete 30 days.
Because we need 30, right? That's why I'm saying, because the 2 days.
But the other one is not deficit, it's extra, right, Prabhuji? More than 30 days. 7 is extra, 2 is minus, so total should be 5, right? 7 minus 2.
It's not that way. Please understand. 1 month should be 30 days. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right? What do? They mark it as 1 extra, right? February they reduce it by 2 days, right? For what we are doing is, because they are reducing the 2 days, right, and making it 365, right, and a quarter. Please look at it. 5 and a quarter. Yes or no? Krishna, 5.25, Prabhu, is the difference. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Multiply that by 4. 4 times 5.25 is 21 days. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Right. So that 21 plus 1, they are adding 22 days. Agree?
Yeah, yes, Prabhuji.
This is according to the Julian calendar. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I understand your point. What you are saying is, this should be 5. These two put together, I appreciate where you are coming from. These two put together should be 5. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
You're saying these two put together should be 5.
Then 5 days extra will be there on top of 360 days.
Yeah, one second. I'm coming to that. I'll explain the same thing very, very logically, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
One second, Prabhu. I'll just insert that for year 4. Yes, Prabhu?
Okay.
So we'll call it year 4. Yes?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes? So, this becomes 20 days. Yes? Instead of the 27 I have brought out, it becomes 20 days.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah? Right?
Yes, Prabhuji.
What?
Now, 4th is February will be 1 day there, not 2 days, Prabhu. If that's the case, 4th year, leap year, no?
Yeah, I'm changing that, Prabhu. Okay?
No, in year 4, yeah, there as well, yeah.
Yeah, it will be 6 here. Right?
Yeah. Yes, Prabhuji.
So, it's 21 days here, according to this logic. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Does 21 days become a masam?
No.
Right. Where does this difference of 7 and 2 getting added come from? Yes, it comes from the fact that the measurement in the Julian calendar is done based on the 365 quarter fitment. Yes, but the measurement in the Vedic calendar is done on the cyclical pattern of 9. Hare Krishna Prabhu Mataji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Make sense?
Yes, Prabhuji.
9, 9, 9, yeah. 3 9s 27 and plus that one extra day 28. Yes. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
This is the reason why 9 is important for us. Right. If you actually look at the Earth's orbital and everything, you will see that these months will fit exactly. So that's why Adhika Masam has the 28 days in total, the extra 28 days. So this is the reason I spoke about the number 9. The February 2 days deficit is actually an addition in each year, in the first 3 years. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
That 27 plus 1, 28 becomes the Adhika Masa. So let me represent this differently. I just tried to show the deficit versus the thing. Let me represent this completely differently. Yes. If we take Julian leap cycle, it is 4 times equals to 4 times 365. Correct? Yes or no? It comes to 121. You see, it's not coming to exact round number. Hare Krishna, can you see that?
Yes, Prabhuji.
I didn't even take the quarter. Let me add 0.25 to it. It comes to 121.75. Yeah. So the Vedic rule is that Julian rule doesn't depend on the complete whole. The Vedic rule depends on the complete whole. When you draw a complete circle, how many degrees are there?
180.
Circle, Prabhu, circle, entire
Up
circle.
to 360.
360 degrees. Yes? How many years
Yes,
are
sir.
there in, how many months are there in 12 years? In 12 years, how many months are there, Prabhu?
144.
Yes.
In English months, right, Prabhuji? Yeah, 144.
Even English or Vedic doesn't matter. In 12 years, it's 144. Right?
Yes, yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. In
Yes,
how many
Prabhuji.
years do they become 360? To get a number 360, how many years do we need? What is the number we should multiply by? 12 with 30. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Why do we have 60 years? It's 2 cycles of the years groups. Hare Krishna. 30 years gives 360 months. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. 360 plus 3. Now, when we talk about 60 years, how many months are there? In 60 years, how many months are there?
720.
60 times 12. Yes?
Yes, sir.
One circumambulation is 360 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So, Vedic cycle of 60 years is 2 times the respecting cycles of Mother Nature. Or 2 times 360. Hare Krishna, clear? Hare Krishna.
How is it 2 times, Prabhuji? I didn't get that. Sorry.
See, one circumambulation is 360 degrees, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
30 years is 360.
Oh, 30 years is 360.
Yeah, we have 60 years, right, in Vedic thing.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
It's showing 2 times consciously the respect to this entire nature. And in what format? In the format of a Pushkara, which is 12 years
Yes, Prabhuji.
each time. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Is this aspect clear? Hare Krishna, please.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are all very, very intricate, important concepts which we need to be able to talk to outsiders. Why the Vedic cycle of 60 years is spread like this? If you logically look at it, right? When we are talking about 30 years and we divide it by the number 12, 30 divided by 12 is 2.5. Yes? Hare Krishna.
Yes, sir.
So, when we are doing every 12 years, after the Mahakumbha Mela, right, exactly after 2 cycles, there is the planning that goes in for the 6 months. That's why this is there for the Mahakumbha. Hare Krishna.
Yes, sir.
12, then 6 months. 2 Pushkaras, then planning. 2 Pushkaras, then planning. 2 Pushkaras, then planning. You see how the cycle is going?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu and Mataji. So everything that's centered around the three important things, which is this entire Mahatattva is spherical in nature. Yes or no?
Yes, Prabhuji.
360 degrees? Yes. 3 plus 6 is 9.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So everything is centered around these crucial factors of, the 360, the 144, the 9 and 12. This we should be able to explain to the general populace who argue that these are senseless, because they may not accept whatever quotations like Bhagavad Gita, etc., etc. Yes,
Yes, Prabhuji.
these are the numbers. So I'll park it there. Any doubts? Did I confuse anybody? Any clarification required? Please shoot all your questions. Hare Krishna Prabhu, Hare Krishna Mataji. Did I confuse you completely that there are no questions?
Yeah, from my side, no questions, Prabhu.
Have I confused you, Prabhu?
No, Prabhu. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
This 1 milli yuga, 12 years, that is something I did not follow. 1 milli
This
yuga.
is the argument that people bring about. Those who claim that Vedas are incorrect. So 12 years is considered a mini yuga. In Vedic cycles, they use that to divide the 60 years by 12.
Okay.
In Vedic timelines, 12 years is considered a mini yuga. It is
Okay.
also referred as a yuga.
Okay.
That's
So-
what they use to divide it by 60.
So if one full yuga means how many years will that come, Prabhu?
Prabhu, one Fal Yuga, as we discussed, Kali is 4,32,000 years.
No. 1 mini yuga is 12 years. So that is only mini. When they say mini, if it is like,
In Vedic parlance, Yuga, the Maha Yuga is only Kali Yuga, those only. You get my point?
okay,
It's for the people who oppose that who say this.
okay,
They
okay.
use the mini Yuga word because, please understand, in Sanskrit, when our elders have used, they have used in the context.
Okay.
Right? So when somebody said, idam yugam, you know, people knew based on the context whether they were meaning the 12 months in this calendar year or whether they were meaning the Kali Yuga.
Okay.
Yes, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
It's part of the conversation, because if you typically see in Sanskrit, Ramam Balaramam Kimeshasi, why did you, it depends upon the context, because the subject and the predicate can change. If somebody who hasn't been in the situation, right, why did Rama dislike Balarama, they will say. But the reality might be Balarama might have actually disliked, because Ramam Balaramam can be Balaramam Ramam Kimeshasi or Ramam Balaramam Kimeshasi. The subject and the predicate can be changed in Sanskrit. Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay.
The same thing could mean, Balarama might have, got irritated with Rama. Yes, but because the person was not in the context, when they read the statement, they might misunderstand it's Rama getting irritated with Balarama.
Okay.
You get the point, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
The subject and the predicate are context sensitive.
Okay. Okay.
The best example for this is the 2nd chapter, 7th verse. Yeah? What does Arjuna say in the 7th verse of 2nd chapter? Sorry, 7th verse of the 2nd chapter. I'm wrong. 7th verse of the 2nd chapter. Karmanya doshopahata swabhavaha पृच्छामि त्वां धर्म समूढ़ चेता एचेयस्यान् निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यास्तेऽहं चाभिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Is Arjuna saying aham tava shishya? No, shishya te aham. You see, he is not saying I am your disciple. Disciple yours I. Hare Krishna. Is everyone able to see the difference in that verse?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So the subject and the predicate in Sanskrit are context sensitive. So when this yuga is mentioned, our people do not call it mini yuga, etc. They only call it yuga, 12 years, the Kali yuga, the Treta yuga, the Dwapara yuga, the Satya yuga, and then a cycle of 1000 Chatu yugas is one kalpa. Right?
Yes.
Then we have seen the Nimesha, the Danda, all those measures. Right? Trasadenu, Renu, etc. So, these were universally accepted in the Vedic literature and all the Vedic philosophers, and they were all following it thoroughly. Only the outsiders who wish to oppose it have rephrased it as mini yuga. Hare Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So please, therefore, when these arguments come, understand these things and please be able to explain it in this context based on the numeric. Yes?
Good. Thank you.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. That's all, Prabhu and Mataji. I just wanted to ensure that while we are in the discussion, we had all this clarity completely, so that whenever we start discussing into the future, these numbers no longer will confuse us. Okay, Prabhu and Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. That's all from my side. What happened there? Hare Krishna. One second, I am coming back. Somehow my Google Meet disappeared. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna, Prabhu and Mataji. Sorry, I got dropped.
Prabhu, we can't hear you. You're on mute.
Prabhu and Mataji, sorry, I got dropped off accidentally. Apologies.
No problem.
Yeah, that's it from me. If anybody has any other questions or comments, most welcome. Okay, Hare Krishna. Then we will finish the session here for today. We'll catch up again on Wednesday. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Jai.
Jai, Jai.
Hare Hare.
Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.